Most people get this wrong. They assume Lendlex is just another payday advance or buy now pay later app. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that Lendlex has evolved into a multifunctional financial platform that combines early wage access, flexible installment payments, and spending tracking tools, all designed to help manage cash flow responsibly. Here's how it works. First, Lendlex lets you access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. This is perfect for unexpected bills, urgent purchases, or emergencies. Second, eligible purchases can be split into smaller installments over several weeks. Instead of charging traditional interest, Lendlex uses a flat, predictable fee, making it easier to plan and budget. The platform also includes dashboards, notifications, and reminders to help you stay on top of your payments. This reduces the chance of late fees and promotes responsible financial habits. The downside: overusing Lendlex can become costly. Frequent advances or missed installment payments can quickly add up, and relying too heavily on the app may hide underlying financial problems instead of addressing them. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only access funds you can realistically repay on time. 2. Enable reminders for all upcoming payments. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce dependency. Who benefits most? People with steady income who occasionally need a cash boost or want help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment discipline might find Lendlex more costly than helpful. In conclusion, Lendlex in 2026 is a convenient and practical tool, but only if used responsibly. Track fees, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for more honest financial app reviews and actionable tips to stay in control of your money.